2023 Ford Transit Trail is off-road. Overlanding, where people take a vehicle off-road and then camp in it, is an increasingly popular RV segment, judging by the number of builds we see in this niche. The 2023 Ford Transit Trail is specifically for folks looking to add some ruggedness to their van life adventure. To get around when the road gets rough, the Transit Trail has a 3.5-inch increase in ride height and a 2.75-inch wider track, compared to the standard van. It rides on 16-inch wheels with a black finish and 30.5-inch Goodyear Wrangler Workhorse all-terrain tires. Power comes from a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 making 310 horsepower, 231 kilowatts, and 400 pound-feet, 543 newton-meters, of torque. A 10-speed automatic gearbox sends power to an all-wheel drive system. It has 5 selectable modes: normal, eco, mud/ruts, tow/haul, and slippery. The Transit Trail has different looks than the standard van. The nose wears a chunkier bumper, and there's additional body cladding around the fenders. Splash guards are behind the wheels. Rock slider-styled steps are on each side of the vehicle. The Transit Trail is available in 3 body configurations. The table below shows the difference between them. Inside, the Transit Trail comes with a 12-inch infotainment screen running the Sync 4 software. There are 110-volt, 12-volt, and USB outlets for plugging in devices. Other standard features include a smart key, blind spot assist with reverse and side sensing, and adaptive cruise control. The cabin also comes with predetermined drillable areas for attaching cabinets, shelves, beds, or whatever else an owner needs. An optional upfitter package adds an exterior light bar, a center console, an auxiliary fuse panel, dual AGM batteries, and modified wiring to make building a motorhome easier. The available heavy-duty trailer package allows for towing up to 6,500 pounds. A roof-mounted fan is another option. The Transit Trail will start at $65,975 for the version with a 235.5-inch length and 105-inch roof. Pricing for the other variants isn't yet available. Ford begins deliveries in spring 2023.